So this is it. This is the finished project. It's still wet. You might not understand it, but I do. And it all kind of, most of it you can look, but look, all kinds of comes together now in different colors and patterns. And it's just something because this bathroom was so, we have new like tile and everything. And now I have to do my vanity, but I'll do that later. So I'm going to put another, not coat of paint, but some more droplets down there. I don't know, I'll see tomorrow after they dry. And then after that, 3 coats of polyacrylic finish. And I got polyacrylic that dries in a couple of hours, so it should be done by tomorrow night. So, thank you for watching. And bye-bye. This is part 2.